Let's start on the frittata.
That bacon is so good.
I know, so I already browned the bacon, about 8 ounces, chopped it up, fried it up. So now, will you, while I get the onion going, will you,
Crack 10 eggs.
Yeah, 10 eggs. I got a little bit of bacon fat in here, and I chopped 1 whole red onion. And guess what else it has? Hash browns, baby, frozen hash browns. So in this time of being home, I bought a lot of frozen things that I don't usually buy, to be honest. So I stocked up on like hash browns and stuff like that because I thought they would make a really easy breakfast. And I just thought, well, if I can't find potatoes, then I can do that. So I got some hash browns. So what I'd like to do now is make a frittata with the hash browns, some kale, and some bacon. And it makes a great lunch. It's also a great snack. Carolina can have it for breakfast, she can have it for lunch, she can have it for a light dinner. I'm breaking up frozen hash browns with my fingers. Okay, how are the eggs coming, JD?
I've done 7 so far.
7? Oh, wow, you're doing good. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil as well, just for flavor for the hash browns. Let's go check on what Jade's doing. Oh, they hot? All right, well, you got pretty good. There's only 1 broken yolk. Oh, you're dumping it in here?
Yeah.
Oh, I gave you a bowl over there. A lot of times, I put the shells in another bowl just to keep track of how many eggs in case I get,
I just count the yolks.
Right, but you broke one, so
I know,
is that
was the
whole?
10. That was the 10.
Okay, that's the 10?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right, so why don't you clean your hands? And I got this beautiful kale. So pretty. It's washed, so now all I have to do is chop it up. It smells fresh like cut grass. This is Tuscan kale, and I love this. It's almost like baby kale, so it's really easy to cook down. It's not too fibrous, so you can use the whole kale if you want. There we go. So now we're gonna take the kale and we're gonna put it right on top of the hash browns.
Can I start whisking?
Yeah, so break up the yolks, get them nice and fluffy. You're gonna add milk that I already pulled out for you, and you're also gonna add some mozzarella and some cheddar.
And it's half a cup?
Yeah, it's a half a cup. Whisk it in really nicely. Yeah, there you go. Be gentle, otherwise you're gonna end up wearing eggs and milk. There we go. Just add some salt. Did you put a nice amount of salt?
More?
Shane, did she not put it in?
She's got tiny
This
little
much more?
fingers. There you go.
I already put like half of this in.
That looks great.
Let's put some pepper in there. I like to taste the cheese before I put it in to make sure that it's still good.
It's really good.
Cup of mozzarella, 1.5 cups of white cheddar.
I have a question.
Yeah.
If you like cheddar cheese more, could you put a cup of cheddar cheese and a half a cup of mozzarella?
Yeah, well, we put more cheddar than mozzarella.
Oh, sorry.
Because,
Could you do it vice versa?
yeah, you can, but mozzarella doesn't have a lot of flavor. Do you want to come add the bacon for me? So grab all the paper and just dump all the bacon in. Dump it all in. Good girl. We're mixing in the bacon. Isn't that pretty? All right, so I think what we can do now, Jade, since everything seems to be cooked pretty well, is we can get the eggs. Go ahead and pour it in. Just pour it all the way around, everywhere, so that it hits, yeah, so it hits all of the areas. And I'm gonna then, there you go. You can put that in the sink, my love. So we're gonna put it in the broiler for like 4 or 5 minutes so that it completely cooks through because the bottom's already started to cook. Here we go. Put it right at the top near the broiler so it cooks the top. See it, it's heavy, glorious. Look at that baby.